What is an orange? Oranges are a type of citrus fruit cultivated as a hybrid of a pomelo, Citrus maxima, and a mandarin, Citrus reticulata. Orange trees can produce both sweet orange varieties and bitter orange varieties. Orange fruits are known for containing high concentrations of vitamin C. Orange peels have many applications, from orange oil for home cleaning to orange zest for salad dressing. Oranges originated in a wide area that includes southern China, parts of Southeast Asia, and parts of India. Today, orange trees can be found in both subtropical and tropical climates around the world. Brazil, China, and India rank as the globe's largest orange producers. In the United States, Florida and California are home to the most commercial orange groves. 11 types of oranges. Nature abounds with different types of oranges. Consider some notable varieties worth trying. Navel Orange, so named for the mark on its rind that resembles a human navel. These common oranges are beloved for their sweet flavor, low acidity, and seedless nature. Navel oranges are known for having thick peels and piths. The flesh of a navel orange tastes wonderful in fruit salads or just eaten on its own. Valencia Orange. Despite the name, Valencia oranges are not natively Spanish and were instead bred in California in the 19th century. You can eat Valencia orange flesh, but it's the orange juice that has made this variety famous. Blood orange. The beautiful blood orange features striking deep orange skin and red flesh, a feature caused by a high anthocyanin concentration. Compared to other common varieties, the blood orange is a somewhat sour orange, but its flavor is complex. Blood orange juice makes an intriguing cocktail mixer, and it can also liven up salad dressing. Cara Navel Orange. The Cara orange is a navel orange variety, and it's a cross between the Washington navel and the Brazilian Bahia. The first mutation of this fruit traces its roots to 1976 at the Hacienda Cara in Valencia, Venezuela. It remains unclear whether the Cara is a natural mutation or a deliberate cross-pollination. Bergamot Orange. Bergamots are famously sour oranges, and they are rarely eaten whole. However, their yellow-green rind is the signature ingredient in Earl Grey tea. These bitter oranges are also used in various other cooking applications and perfumes. Bitter orange, often known as a Seville orange, this species originates in Southeast Asia. These oranges are almost never eaten raw, but the thick skin is a signature ingredient in orange marmalade. Acidless orange. Most of the leading varieties of orange have very low acid, but an acidless orange has some of the very least. The name is a bit misleading, as all citrus fruit is acidic. Still, the acid is kept to a minimum. Acid serves as a preservative, and without much of it, this variety doesn't last long after it is picked. Commonly found in South America and the Mediterranean region, these oranges are also often referred to as sweet oranges and Lima oranges. Mandarin orange. Mandarin oranges are small with light orange skin that peels easily. They have a sweet flavor and very few seeds, if any at all. This makes them a popular snack. Tangerine. The other tangerine is smaller and softer than an orange, and it has loose skin that is easy to peel. Tangerine flesh has a bright orange pigment and a very sweet flavor. Traditionally, tangerines have seeds, but seedless varieties have become more prevalent. Overall, tangerines are similar to mandarin oranges and good for snacking. Tangelo. The other Tangelo is a hybrid between a tangerine and a pomelo. The pomelo ancestry gives a slight grapefruit-like tang, but overall Tangelos are very sweet. The only drawback is that this variety can be difficult to peel. Eat the flesh of these fruits raw or squeeze the juice for a refreshing twist on a mimosa. Clementine. This popular orange type is another hybrid, this time between a willow leaf mandarin orange and an acidless orange. They share much in common with tangerines and mandarin oranges: thin skins, a bright orange color, and lots of sweetness. Snack on clementines or add wedges of the fruit to a savory sweet salad.